Turning muggier with more clouds expected out there tomorrow. Rain chances not too far behind. In fact, increasing on us as we head into late tomorrow evening and then staying elevated through about the first half of the upcoming work week. More on that in just a little bit. But first, high pressure now well off to our east, and that's allowing winds to come in from the Gulf of Mexico. So you may have noticed that it was a little bit more humid out there today, but really it's going to become more noticeable as we head into tomorrow. Temperatures not nearly as cool overnight tonight, only dropping down into the upper 60s to lower 70s, and then more of a partly to mostly cloudy sky expected out there on Mother's Day tomorrow. Temperatures mid 80s, heat indices though upper 80s to right around 90 degrees, and then we are going to have a cold front that's going to move into the northern parts of the state tomorrow afternoon. I do think this is where the bulk of the shower and storm activity is going to remain, but nonetheless we may see a pop-up shower or two trying to develop through the course of tomorrow afternoon with the heating of the day, but I think most of us staying dry. And then this front's going to drop southward into Acadiana, but then it's going to kind of put on the brakes here. But nonetheless, with this boundary in place, it's going to serve as a focal point to see some scattered showers and storms. In fact, there is a low-end risk to see severe weather as we head into tomorrow night and into Monday. One or two of these storms could be on the stronger side, maybe capable of producing some gusty winds. Also, some locally heavy downpours will be possible as well. But this boundary is going to actually be stalled out for a couple of days, and what we're going to be watching is impulses of upper level energy working along that boundary, which is going to keep our rain chances elevated. So here we go into Tuesday with another batch of rain moving in, maybe some heavier rain setting up across Sinloa and eventually into Mississippi, and then scattered showers remaining in the forecast as we head into our Wednesday as well, before finally we start to dry things out as we head into Thursday. Some lingering cloud cover out there, but then it's back to mostly sunny skies as we head into our Friday. And as of now, next weekend looking pretty good as well, so that's the good news. But when we're talking about rainfall over a few days of a period, the rainfall totals could start to add up. This is the GFS model taking us through Wednesday evening, showing most areas picking up 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. This particular model continues to show higher rainfall totals setting up across central Louisiana and then into Mississippi as well. So bottom line, we'll continue to see if the models trend in this manner, and we'll be keeping you updated for sure. Now, as far as that backyard forecast going into our Sunday, maybe spending time with mom out by the pool. Not too bad out there. It's going to be warm and muggy temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the middle 80s with those heat indices approaching the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. Slight chance to see an isolated shower or two, but again, I think most of us staying dry. So quiet night ahead here across Acadiana. Not as cool, upper 60s to lower 70s for an overnight low, with some clouds starting to work their way back into the region. And then for Mother's Day tomorrow, mixture of sun and clouds is what we'll call it. Warm and humid, mid 80s by the afternoon. Breezy southerly winds at around 12 to 18 miles per hour. Rain chances start to increase on us as we head into late tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night at around 60%, and then staying elevated as we head through midweek, at least through Wednesday, with some locally heavy rains possible. So we'll be watching that. And then finally starting to dry out with nice weather returning as we round out next week and head into the following weekend. Kendra?